Okay, this is the second violin tutorial for Bach Air. Again, as I said with the first violins, you have two challenges. Number one is to play the right rhythms when it's time to play the right rhythms, and also to count the long notes for the correct amount of beats. So first I'm gonna go over the things that we will definitely need to hear. So for example, at measure 3, we need to hear this. So you gotta play that strong, firm. And then measure 4, I go to third position. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, I stay in that, and then I go off the long note. Okay, then measure 8, off of the long note, off. Or you can stay in position, and you don't even have to cross strings then. And then you can go, if you'd like, to second position. And then you can go with 2 after the long note, E. Okay. And then you can go to third position again. Okay, then the next thing that we have to hear, we're going starting in first position, and then we're going to third position. Okay, then the important dialogue at measure 14, off of the long note. Probably that will be better in first position. Make sure you change C natural, C sharp. And now I go up, third position. Stay in position. And I can go in fourth position here. Remember the bottom fingering? That's the exact same. And now we go to third position. Then I do that in second position for the trio. Okay, now let's go over it with counting the correct number of beats. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then after that, I have I didn't take any repeats, but that's basically it. Happy practicing!